In our focus story tonight, we explore the unforeseen consequences of immigration law as demonstrated by the heart-wrenching experience of Mariur Rodríguez Moreno and her family. Rodríguez, her husband, and 3 daughters embarked on a hopeful journey from Colombia to Utah in 2013, seeking a brighter future through educational opportunities. Fast forward over a decade, the family celebrated academic success and personal milestones, with Rodríguez herself pursuing a doctorate in chemistry at Brigham Young University. However, in the midst of these triumphs, a single oversight cast a shadow on their American dream, leading to the prolonged separation of Rodríguez from her eldest daughter. The family legally entered the United States, with Rodríguez's husband on a student visa, while she and her daughters held tourist visas. They intended to transition to F2 visas, but unfortunately received misguided advice. Enrolling their daughters in school, a move suggested by their immigration attorney, was a well-meaning error violating U.S. immigration law, a move that would cost them dearly. The complexity of U.S. immigration law became starkly evident when, in an attempt to remedy the situation, Rodríguez's daughters were denied F2 visas. After returning to Colombia to address the issue, Rodríguez faced a devastating reality. Her eldest daughter, Sara Cardenas, not only had her visa application denied, but also incurred a 3-year ban from the U.S. Cardenas, at the pivotal age of 18, saw her dreams of studying in the U.S. crumble. Over the years, despite her efforts, she was repeatedly denied entry. Now a successful bank manager in Bogotá, Cardenas remains separated from her family, missing significant moments and the unity once taken for granted. Rodríguez and her family continue to navigate the labyrinthine immigration process, fervently adhering to legal pathways despite witnessing others resort to unauthorized routes with seeming success. Their story sheds light on the outdated nature of U.S. immigration laws and the need for reforms that reflect contemporary realities. As Rodríguez nears the end of her PhD, the possibility of staying in the U.S. legally remains uncertain. The family's desire to contribute to and live in the country they've grown to love comes with the heavy price of potential separation. This complex narrative not only highlights the often overlooked personal costs of immigration policy, but also calls attention to the urgent need for legislative reform. Families like Rodríguez's endure the weight of antiquated systems, each member stranded on either side of an international divide, buoyed by little more than hope. For a more detailed account of this story and to follow up on the evolving situation, we invite our listeners to visit visaverge.com. Stay informed, delve deeper, and join the conversation on the implications of immigration law and policy.